Hey, good morning. We've got another exciting day planned here at AAPEX 2025 in sunny Las Vegas, Nevada. I'm here at the Launch Tech USA booth with my good friend and Vice President of Launch Tech USA Marketing and Product Development, Eric Palugi. Eric, how you doing, my friend?
I'm great.
It's great to see you, brother.
Nice to see you.
It seems like we were just doing this a week ago, doesn't it?
I was thinking the same thing. I feel like we just had our conversation last year with the 613, and it's just been a whirlwind of a year.
It sure has. I'll tell you what, it's always great to see you, though. Thanks for talking to me.
Yeah, anytime.
So I hear you guys got, as always, some exciting things going on with Launch Tech USA.
We do. It's, again, like we always say, we listen to the market, we listen to our technicians and shops. We're really concentrating going into 2026 on an education and a training philosophy. We're ramping up a team of people that are going to be able to train not only our products, but technology, but also diagnostics and how to efficiently work through a diagnostic plan on any vehicles out there. So that's a big plan for us.
Phenomenal. And whether you're on the collision side of the spectrum or the mechanical, being efficient is key to being productive.
Exactly.
And making money. That's what we all want.
That's what it's all about.
Yes, sir.
Revenue. Bring that revenue in.
And that's what I love so much about Launch Tech USA's product and innovations.
100%.
So Eric, tell me about your new website. What do you got going on?
So we totally revamped the website. We were noticing it was a little stale. We needed to revamp it. We needed, with the education piece, we're going to offer some online stuff. We're going to also offer some video content on the scan tools themselves related to the vehicle you may be working on. You'll be able to maybe watch some tutorial videos on some common issues, and then just a total facelift on our website. So we invite everybody to go out to launchtechusa.com and check it out in the next couple weeks.
And from a technician standpoint, being a customer, I mean, staying connected with the company and being able to interact and learn how these tools work, and that's important to me.
100%, and we're building a profile account for our customers where, through the portal, you'll be able to manage all your devices, manage all your content, manage all your recordings and data that you save on your scan tools. So we're just trying to make it a one-stop shop for everything diagnostics.
I love that. I found when I was in the shop full-time as a technician, lots of times capturing the data was the easy part. Making the decisions was the easy part. But going to reference it later on, I was all over the place.
100%.
So streamlining that process and having it in one organized fashion.
Absolutely.
That's the way to go.
Absolutely.
So what I really want to know about is, what are these new products you have going on?
So last year we're on our year anniversary of the 613 wheel liner, right? The consolidated wheel liner for us. It's been a whirlwind and it's been a runaway of a product. It's an exciting product. It's growing some legs out there. We're really excited about it. And in getting the feedback from the customers and understanding what they need led to another product launch this year, which is our 939 ADAS and wheel liner combo. So it's an all-in-one unit. It runs off our scan tool like our 613 does, with the same philosophy. So if you have our product, you could either buy it standalone or with our tablet. Everything runs off the tablet. It's a one-stop shop. We're really trying to focus on shops not having to invest into 5 or 6 different pieces of hardware to do everything essential in the shop. So for those shops that need that are building, we're finding that they're bringing in these facilities and they're building these new these new bays that are dedicated to ADAS and alignments, because it's more of a revenue stream for that shop to come in. So as ADAS is starting to become a more comfortable topic out there, we have to adapt and bring in what they need to do the jobs.
I remember our conversation last year at this time about the 613, and that's what struck me most, is that it was an add-on.
Yeah.
You didn't have to reinvest in all the new tooling. It was an add-on.
Absolutely not.
Pretty seamless.
Same thing with the 939.
Excellent. Yeah. This is all exciting stuff.
Yes, very exciting.
Listen, I really appreciate you taking the time to talk to me about this. What
Anytime.
you guys have going on with Launch Tech USA is really exciting.
All right.
Eric's great talking to you,
Thank
my friend.
you.
Have a great show.
You too.
Thank you.